back to Rita's World. My name is Rita, and in this channel I get to share with you videos about motherhood, lifestyle, travel and food. If you're new to this channel, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you're already part of Rita's World, keep it locked. So guys, this week you can see there are balloons all over the background, and that is because Imani is turning 6 years old. Imani, you're turning 6 years old.
Even my tooth is shaking.
So, Imani turned 6 years old last week. Lyra, can you keep quiet? And we didn't get to celebrate her birthday then because I had traveled. So today we are celebrating her birthday. She's an amazing girl, and she's growing. Wait, I'll do for Imani and then I say about you.
Okay.
These kids don't know the difference between whose and whose birthday. Taju, your birthday is coming in March. So we were supposed to do Imani's birthday at school last week, but the teacher said because of COVID, she was not able to do her birthday at school. So that's where most of her friends are. And I feel like she's at an age where right now she doesn't have so many friends out here other than our neighbors. So she decided she wants to do her birthday here today. Are you excited? You're going to celebrate your birthday?
Yes, I am so excited for Imani's birthday.
So I feel like Imani is at an age where she doesn't have like friends besides her schoolmates, and we wanted to do her birthday in school, but the teacher said because of COVID, they do not allow birthdays in school. So now she's going to celebrate her birthday with her friends at home, and that's what we are doing right now. We put up the Christmas tree yesterday, by the way. We are late, but I'm glad we did that. So this is a minimalist birthday because of course, you know, we usually like to do big bomb birthdays for like 1 year, 5 years, 10 years and so on. Then you're going to drop that light. But this time you're going to do it at home. We're going to celebrate it with family, friends and some of our neighbors. And yeah, that's just it. So I want to get ready because as you can see, I've not done anything. I've been cleaning and organizing the house to make it ready for our guests. And now we want to do the decor. We're going to do the decor ourselves. My sister Nancy has offered to cook. And also we've ordered a bouncing castle and the cake arrived yesterday. I'm going to tag all those people who have given us these services. I'm going to tag everyone who's giving us these services at some point in this video. So because we're running out of time, I'm going to get ready and we start this day. Supposed to do the decor by ourselves, but you're lucky. Our minder, who also is Laban, has decided to help us because apparently this is what they do, decorations. So he's gonna sort us with this because I was really stressing out about it. I think when you're saying that you're gonna do it, it sounds easy, but when you see time running out, you can actually freak out. So I'm glad he's handling that. The kids' bouncing castle has already been put up. I don't know if you can see from here. There. The only thing that I honestly wish we could do today is have the kids swim, but unfortunately in our apartment our pool is not heated, so that's such a bummer. But the kids are gonna play at the bouncing castle. It's open to all the kids in the apartment. I think Imani is gonna have an awesome day today. Guys, meet my sister Nancy. Hello. The chef of the family. Nancy is always the chef. Like every time we have functions, even at home, she cooks very yummy food. Not just yummy food, very yummy food. So today she's in the kitchen, as you can see, mouth-watering food. She's roasting chicken here. What's on the menu, my sister?
Chicken, beef, rice, chapati, vegetable salad.
That's nice. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Auntie Nancy is cooking for you.
Yeah.
You know Auntie Nancy's food is yum, 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 yum.
What has she cooked? Chicken.
Yes.
Rice.
Yes. This is give me a high five for doing an amazing job in the kitchen. Wow. It looks messy, but the food is yummy, I promise. She's making now chapati. This is the last phase of the cooking. Some sausages here for the kids. This is from Kegla, you guys. You can see, you can even put it in hot oil and it doesn't even burn. The things are legit. Legit. Kegla utensils. Same as the pot. The kids always have to get the first priority. Hi guys! Hi Bazu! Are you excited? You guys are hungry? So they've served the kids food here because the rest of the people
And what about me?
the rest of the food, there is the birthday girl. The rest of the food is not ready. There's more here, but the kids are hungry, so you have to sort them first. Having an amazing time. Nitachukua video basi. What?
Chocolate? What's chocolate? I mean what?
Okay, what
Diana.
And what is Valeniki? If we get Valeniki, what do you do?
Valeniki.
Will you be happy?
Nah.
If we get Valeniki, you won't be happy?
Then you try to
No, wait. Which cake did you want? Which cake did you want?
Peppa Pig.
Are you sure?
And I wanted Subaru cake.
Exactly.
Subaru
Which
cake.
cake did you want?
Subaru cake. Subaru cake.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Is that your favorite?
I'm saying that.
Which is your favorite?
Valeniki.
Okay, let's try and see which one is there. 1, 2, 3. Wait. I need to move it so that you can see what it is. Wait.
Valeniki. Mommy said let's
Okay, whoever is not singing is not eating cake.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Imani. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? 6. How old are you now? 6. Happy birthday, dear
chake kisumbuye sasa.
Excited?
Yes.
Do you know what's in your gift? This was from, who is this? Bazooka and Adia. Here, open it. Move back. Where's your tablet? Open. Let me see. Wow! Can I see what that is?
It's a teddy bear.
Oh, this is so cute. It's like a handbag. Oh, it's a handbag. Carry it. Move back. Not like that. Handbags are carried here, mommy. Here. Like that. Hebu tembea uko nikuone. Let me see. Wow, you'll be carrying that when you go out. It's so cute.
And then it's a teddy bear.
What do you say?
Thank you, Bazu.
Okay. Do you need help?
Is it
What do you think it is?
what? Scooter! I want it.
Remove this sellotape. Remove this sellotape. Let me open for you.
Oh my gosh, mommy. You let me fix it.
I'll fix it for you. Do you like it?
I do, and I do more. Oh, fast.
Let me help you. Let me help you.
Oh, it goes there.
This one. Hold, I show you. Like that. Move back. I have to adjust it. I have to adjust it for you. Slowly, I have to adjust the height for you, okay?
My dad got me an awesome tablet and an awesome scooter.
Who got you the scooter?
Mommy!
I have to make sure that you know that I'm the one who got it for you. Come here, I can't see your face, mommy. Let's see your tablet.
I was playing Roblox.
It does have Roblox too.
Yeah? I
Wow.
downloaded, then I deleted those games.
You deleted all the games that it came with?
Yes.
Why?
I told Leroy not to delete for learning, But he deleted.
It was not supposed to delete for learning. You guys, learning is the whole reason why you got this tablet. Imani, you have to download them back, okay? I got this learning tablet from Smart World Kenya on Instagram. I think it's for ages around 0 to 7 years. It's quite cute. I like the bumper. This protects it from getting spoils or breaking. If you're in need of a tablet like this, you can get it from Smart World Kenya. I'm going to tag their page down here. So Imani's dad got her this, and I also got the scooter from House of Leather. So if you want a scooter, you could check out their store. They have a lot of varieties there. So we also got her this Pop-It. This was actually Leroy. Out of his savings, he gave me 1,000 to top up and get Imani this thing. I don't know why kids are fascinated with this thing. It's called a Pop-It. I got it from House of Leather. It's quite big. It cost 2,000 shillings. So I added 1,000 shillings to Leroy's contribution to get Imani this. So if your kids are also fascinated with this Pop-It, I think it's the trendiest gift right now for kids. You can get it from House of Leather. Good morning, guys. So it's the morning of after Imani's birthday, and I'm just sitting here in the sitting room, and I was wondering, I hadn't done much talking yesterday because I was hosting, but it was an amazing birthday. I feel like I'll be doing more birthdays at home, because I saw just how happy the kids were and how free we were, because sometimes when you book hotels or restaurants, it can be restricted, like the amount of time you spend there, and also it's expensive. I feel like this was one of the most affordable birthdays I've ever done. So I just wanted to give you guys a breakdown of how the birthday was, because honestly, hosting and vlogging can be very hectic. So the Bouncing Castle was from Watoto Bouncing Castle Network on Instagram. I'm gonna tag the page down here. The castle costed 5,500 and it comes with a minder. And by the way, it was dropped very early in the morning, and all the kids in the neighborhood had so much fun with it. And I feel that was like the highlight of the kids, because you cannot have a party for kids without activities for kids. And that's worked perfectly well for us. As you can see in the background, the balloons that are up there. So my personal person for birthday decor is called Party Themes Kenya. There's a lady called Angie who's the owner of that page and the owner of that business. She's the one who does all my parties, from my baby shower, from Leroy's birthday, all the parties that I have. And being a last minute person, I called her like a day before the birthday, and she was fully booked for the weekend. So the idea was for us to do that decor by ourselves. And the way God has it, the minder who came with Watoto Bouncing Castle apparently also does these things. Like when they are taken to places for birthdays, they also do the decor. So he offered to actually do that for us, which I think was pretty amazing. I don't think we would have pulled it off that well. So he's called Laban, and I really want to thank him. Sorry guys, I really want to thank him, because I think without him, that decor wouldn't have come out the way it did. The balloons were from House of Leather. The happy birthday thingy over there was from House of Leather. And I feel like you can get a lot of cheap party things from that store. And that is always my go-to store. And you guys, I have a VIP card, so it gives me 10% discount. That's why I like to frequent that shop. Another thing I want to talk about is the cake. The cake was from Winnie's Pastries on Instagram. Actually, it's the first time I have ordered from her. I saw an advert on Mabel Homestyle, another lady I really like to follow on Instagram. And I decided to book, and I called her, and I was like I think 2 days before the birthday, you guys. I'm just such a last minute person. So I called her and told her my kid is obsessed with Valdeniki, and honestly I didn't have an idea of the cake that I wanted. I didn't have an idea of it. I just told her that is all I know, so you make it work. And she did an awesome job. The cake is yummy. I have been ordering cakes from places that I cannot even mention, but I think that ends there. Like, I think she's now my official cake person. So the food was cooked by my sister Nancy. She offered to cook for us because it was a family lunch come birthday per se, and the budget was quite easy because I have so many things in my house, like from the bulk shopping. So the only thing I had to shop for besides what we had was beef and chicken. And sausages for the kids because the kids were having some roast potatoes and sausages. So that was just about it. Nancy, thank you so much for coming through with the food. She's our chef in the family. Like, there's always that one person who cooks when there are events. She's our person for that. So yeah, and I also want to thank Rosette, Vivian, and Aggie, my sister Margaret, my brother Isaac, everyone who came for the birthday. I want to thank you so much for everything, for the gifts. I want to thank you so much for your presents. You made Imani's birthday what it was. Not forgetting my photographer, who I have just discovered and I'm in love. Like, I love his energy. I love his work. I always say that I've struggled with the photographers. Initially, I had Andrew, who now moved to Mombasa, so it's a bit difficult to coordinate Mombasa and Nairobi, and he's the one who referred me to Wanjala. I'm going to post Wanjala's page right here. I must say that working with kids sometimes needs some kind of level of patience, and I feel like most photographers don't have that. So when you find someone who matches your energy, it's perfect. So Wanjala, thank you also so much for coming through with the photos. And by the way, you guys, he left me all the photos before he left my house. That's another plus. I don't like this thing of following people and asking them for photos 2 weeks after the birthday, you know. So for me, I feel like he's quite hands-on, comes to your event, does your event. Before he leaves you all your photos. I mean, if they are enough for him to do, reasonable, you know. So I feel like that is a plus, and that is one thing I really love because it's so efficient. So Angela, thank you so much. We really cladded the social platforms yesterday with your photos, and they looked absolutely amazing. My daughter Imani, on your 6th birthday, I know I didn't get to wish you anything like when I started this vlog yesterday. I want to wish you a fantastic life. She's an awesome girl, intelligent girl. I wish you nothing but God's blessings. I have been blessed with 3 children, and watching them grow and enjoying these moments with them means the world to me. For me, it's just one day to show my kids how much I love them, show them how much I value them, and I feel like we pulled it off this time. So my daughter, I wish you the best as you turn into these amazing 6 years in this world. You made me a mother for the 2nd time. It's been 6 amazing years, though it's been bumpy because they say that the first 5 years of a child are quite difficult, but I feel like God has been faithful to us, and I cannot wait to see you grow. I cannot wait to enjoy many more of your birthdays. And I guess that's all, guys. I hope you enjoy our simple homemade birthday, and see you in our next video.